morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session of maths. I hope children you all are studying and enjoying too. So in the previous class of maths we have learnt numbers and number names from 201 to 250. Also we have learnt tables up to 4, table of 2, 3 and 4. And I tell you all children that you have to every day revise numbers and number names and tables. I hope children you all will follow me. So today we are going to revise addition. Our today's topic of revision is addition up to 20 and also addition by counting forward. And I know you all have learnt it, so you all will be able to answer properly. So all are going to pay attention. Okay children. Now let's start with the addition by using pictures. Okay. Now here children, can you all see one banana and plus two more bananas. Now you have to, looking at the picture, count and tell me what is the correct answer. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Very good. Okay, so here comes 3. Let's see another example. Here we can see 2 plus 3. How much children? How many sweets? 1, 2 plus 3 more is equal to 5. Okay children. So it is easy to understand addition by counting the pictures. Let's see next one. Here are fishes. 4 fishes plus 2 fishes. How many altogether children? Yes, 6 is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's see another example. Here are how many flowers? 5 roses plus 4 roses. Altogether how many children? Please everyone count in your mind. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So here write 9. Very good. Let's see another example. Now here are 4 balloons and 6 more balloons. Now 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Very good. Well done children. Now let's see. Here are 3 pencils plus 1 more pencil is equal to 4 pencils. I hope you all are understanding because we have already learnt it and now we are going to have a small recap only. Let's revise. Now here 5 pieces of pastries, okay, and 3 more. So altogether 8. Very good. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Good children. Very good. Now let's see next exercise. Now here we have already learned children you have to do the addition by counting forward. Means what? You have to keep bigger number in your mind and using your fingers, or you can, here I am going to show you bits, but you can use your fingers also for counting. Okay, so let's count forward and do the addition. See here 5. Here you can see now 5. Okay, 5 bits, and then after 5 you have to count forward. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 8 plus 4. Who will tell me the correct answer now? This is so easy and very simple. 8 you have to keep in mind. This way also you can do. Or children, you can, how it is shown, see, like this way you can count forward by using the bits and write the answer. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now 7 plus 7 is equal to, yes, who will tell? Yeah, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now 8 plus 9. Here also children, you have to count forward. After 8, you have to count 9 more. So after 8 comes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 is the correct answer. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Now, okay, 11 plus 7. So after 11, if you count 7, what is the answer? What answer you will get, children? Yes, 18. Very good. 15 plus 5 is equal to 15. After 15, count 5 fingers. After 15 comes 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Well done all of you. Now 11 plus 5. How much, children? 11 plus 5? After 11 you can count 5 fingers. After 11 comes 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 is the correct answer. Now let's see here. Children, I showed you here addition by using the figures. Like I have here I am showing you bits, but you can use your fingers also for counting forward, which I have already taught you in the video. Suppose 13 is a bigger number which you can keep in your mind, and 4. So your 4 fingers you can count this number. After 13 comes 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay. So using your fingers also you can do the addition by counting forward. So what is the correct answer? 17 is the correct answer. Very good, all my dear children. I know now you all have become very expert in counting. Very good. Now 12 plus 7. Who will solve this? Yes, very good. 12 plus 7 is 19. Well done. Very good. Excellent, children. 2 plus 9 is, it's very simple. So quickly tell me the answer. 9 plus 2 is 11. Wow, very good. All children keep revising, keep practicing. Okay. Now 3 plus 8. 8 plus 3. Okay, you can keep a bigger number in your mind, and 3 you can count on the fingers. So 8 plus 3 is, very good, 11. Very good, children. Now 8 plus 4. Who will tell? All my good children. Very good, very good. 12 is the correct answer. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Very good. Now 4 plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 9. 9 keep in mind, and 4 count on the fingers. After come 9s. After 9 comes, yes, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the correct answer. Very good. Now 7 plus 8 is equal to, come on, use your fingers and count. Yes, 15 is the correct answer. Very good. Now children, 5 plus 9 is equal to what? Who will tell me? Yeah, after 5, bigger number keep in your mind. Okay, we'll keep 9 in the mind and 5 on the fingers. You count after 9. After 9 comes, see, after 9 comes, okay, after 9 comes 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the correct answer here? 14 is the correct answer. I hope children you all must have understood addition up to 20 using pictures, and also addition by counting forward. So I hope children you all will keep revising tables and number names also. Thank you so much children, and see you very soon.